green packaging strategy, reducing our carbon footprint through smarter packaging. Why does it matter? Climate change is real. Packaging matters, and clients care about sustainability. We believe that small changes equals big impact. What are we changing? Reusable design. Smart box design. From a bigger size to a smaller size. Best of all, it's a tool-free operation and uses eco-friendly materials. FSC certified paper materials. Our label kills off cleanly with no sticky residue, perfect for reusing the box. And simplified low-carbon ink printing. What have we achieved so far? 30% carbon footprint reduction, 245 kilograms of CO2 saved annually, 100% FSC certified materials, and no tools required. So what are the benefits to you? Reduced shipping costs, enhanced brand image, safer handling, storage efficiency, compliance ready, and cost savings. Partner with us for a greener future. Every box you reuse is a step toward a more sustainable supply chain. Navitas.